Hey everybody, this is Dr. C, and I just wanted to wish you all the most wonderful holiday season. We're all excited about the upcoming time that we're going to have off, a chance to recharge and reconnect and plug back in and get ready for a wonderful 2023. You know, you've all been such wonderful patients over the last year. We've grown fantastically. We are in our new space, and we will be able to take advantage of the entire new space come the 1st of January. So we're really excited. And you know what, more than that, we're very thankful for each and every one of you, because it's you that is our primary focus. It's you, the ones that make this office work so well. So thank you for being loyal to us. Thank you for being great patients. And we're here to bring you all of our old services and even some really exciting new ones coming up in 2023. Just a little bit of housekeeping before we take our winter break. I want to let you know that we will be closing on the afternoon of Friday, December 23rd, and we'll be closed for the entire holiday week, January 2nd, and we will reopen for normal business hours on Tuesday, January 3rd. It's a chance for all of us to take a little break, catch our breaths, be with our family, and recharge so that we can hit the ground running in 2023. Now, along with that being closed, I want to remind you all to take a look at your prescriptions. If you think your low or will be running out during that week, we highly encourage you to put a notice in through the portal requesting that those refills be gotten out before the 23rd, because while we will be monitoring our email and our messaging, that monitoring will be limited and you may not get the top quality service that we pride ourselves in all of the time. Not that you're going to get any less service, it's just that it's going to be a little bit less monitored and it may not be as timely as you want it to be. So if you can anticipate your prescriptions ahead of time, you're going to be far ahead of the game. And again, I want to remind you that the portal is the ideal way to go. We have accountability there. You will get your prescriptions done in a timely manner. So on behalf of the entire family here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, I want to wish you a very happy and healthy holiday season. God bless you all. We look forward to 2023, and boy, do we have some exciting stuff coming.